By placing BBB's dynamic torch seal on your website, you've just added another layer of trust and checked another box for your potential customer who has just come to your website to learn more about you and your business. Only BBB accredited businesses are able to display that seal of trust. Not only that, the dynamic seal is clickable and links back to your business profile on bbb.org. Businesses and consumers know the value, the impact it has, and the doors it opens. In fact, statistically, 85% of all consumers readily recognize it and what it stands for. Be proud of your BBB accreditation. It's not something you bought, it's something your business has earned.